Welcome back to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and a special thank you to all of our current subscribers out there for your support. You are awesome. And if you're new to this channel, we really hope you will like this video and become a subscriber too.
And today we are heading to the beautiful Somerset Falls. So join us on this adventure.
Walking today.
Yeah. So our Airbnb is conveniently located right here on the beach, and we're actually taking a shortcut along the beach to get to Somerset Falls. And look at that view here.
Somerset Falls is located in Hope Bay, Portland, and it's just a short ride away from the parish capital, Port Antonio.
On our shortcut to Somerset Falls, we are also passing by a really famous seafood restaurant, which you will find on pages like TripAdvisor with really good ratings. It's called Likkle Porti and offers really great fish, and I think we will stop by there later as well, huh?
Absolutely. At Likkle Porti, they also offer bamboo rafting on the same water that plunges down Somerset Falls, Daniels River. The walk from Likkle Porti to Somerset Falls is approximately 5 minutes and leads us to the main road. The entrance to Somerset Falls can be easily found along the Highway Main Road.
So we just paid $20 entrance fee for 2 persons.
Yeah.
We were able to pay in US dollars, so if you're here you don't need to exchange your money prior to arrival. You can just use your US currency, which is quite convenient.
Yes.
I do not really believe that this little sign is keeping me out of the water today. Taking a little boat ride to the falls right now, and that might be interesting. It's exciting right now. Let's see what awaits us there.
The boat ride to the actual falls is included in the entrance fee, but you can also swim to the falls on your own. The plunging water invites you to a relaxing massage by Mother Nature herself.
Somerset Falls, Jamaica. It's awesome!
Somerset Falls also offers man-made pools for non-swimmers and little children, although at the time of our visit, all the pools were currently closed.
So that was Somerset Falls, and I must say it's probably one of the
My favorite falls.
Ellie's favorite falls here in Jamaica. So
Yes.
unfortunately it seems that they have restaurants on the premises, they have also a bar, but everything is closed during the weekdays currently. So we will just walk back over to our Airbnb, and as you know, on the way there is the restaurant Likkle Porti, and we will just stop there and see if we can get something to eat there. What do you say, my love?
Yes, we're hungry!
Super hungry, so let's head over there and see what we get. Yeah, here at Likkle Porti, when you're getting closer, they have these huts here to sit under, which allow you to give you some shade and allow you to eat, and I think that's very nice. But we are so hungry right now, we first need to walk up to the main cooking station to order some food. Hello, we are back.
Good morning.
Morning!
Hi. So you look all wet and dripping.
Yeah.
And soak up some of the good water.
Oh, the water was...
Awesome!
So what you're having today?
Oh, we are having the lobster!
Oh, the lobster. Yes, we spoke about the lobster.
We are just choosing a nice hut here. We have a little shade here, and we got some beer, some cold drinks. Oh God!
So much.
We got our meal. We got our lobster, and it looks pretty amazing. Look at that lobster. And look at that view in the background, there's the ocean. Almost cannot get better than that. And actually the cost of that lobster is actually 3,000 Jamaican dollars, which equals about the same as our entrance fee at Somerset Falls. It equals $20 US. Not too bad actually.
So freaking good.
I trust you'd all enjoy again. All right, let's get the record straight. Your total is 4,200 Jamaican dollars.
That's 28.
So
96. So 29 US dollars.
Yes.
It was a pleasure, Rose.
Yes,
Thank
my
you so
dear.
much. We
It was
appreciate
really
it.
nice to have you.
Likewise.
Yes,
Thank you.
dear.
Thank you. Thank
All
you.
the best.
thank you.
Thanks.
Stay safe in this world.
My love, I need to take a quick rinse under the seashell.
Yes, so do I.
We have arrived back at our Airbnb from our adventure at Somerset Falls and a lovely meal at Likkle Porti, which was absolutely amazing. What do you think about the meal, my love?
Oh, the lobster was really delicious. Somerset Falls was also one of the great attractions here in Jamaica, which I certainly want to come back to.
Yeah.
Otherwise, yeah, we're now here at the Airbnb, and now we're going inside to pack our suitcases because we are leaving the beautiful parish of Portland to head over to the parish of St. James because we are going to Montego Bay because we have to catch a plane in a few days back to New York City. So get ready for another road trip with us from Portland to St. James, and then we will also take you with us on the plane. So get ready for some more traveling with us in the future and more adventures.
And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Jamaican Adventure and turn on those notifications so you know when we're dropping a new video. Until then,
Auf Wiedersehen. See you soon. Later.